No, just stay away.
Yes, because if you are not being evaluated, you don't know the like your strength, how good you are in what you have been taught. That means as you are going back home, try to study the objective questions. So probably I'll come up with typed question. So I'll try to mix it up from your probably from WAEC past question and this current past question that you have. So I'll mix it up, I'll print it out, then we are going to administer the question to you guys. Are you getting it? I know that what do you say? It's a test now, you are doing it, not assignments. You have to do it here. So you are doing it here. Don't be scared. It's what you've known. You just have to revise before you come for the test. Then there will be a reward after that. And as you're preparing for resumption, so that will make you be ahead of other students. Are you getting it? So because we hope that some of you that we have randomly picked that will be the one to be representing the school in any science or mathematics based competition. Are you getting it? So that's the aim of this class. We are not just taking you for just taking sake, or you can see that we have external force now. This is an external force that just came here to simplify and just tackle all the question in a very little time. Are you getting it? So that is one good thing. If you have a good mastery of that knowledge, the ability for you to like solve question, any challenging question, just for you to understand and interpret that question. There are some questions that I have solved here without even taking much time at all. Like the one of that, I think on mechanics, yeah, that particular question. So a body
Plus.
of, because you could see
Plus.
that the first drill was an horizontal line before now come back
Plus.
and say oh, it's a vertical. Let's say from that particular diagram, if you are not able to draw a right diagram, that means you have failed that question. Are you getting it? So the first thing is when you see question, you don't have to be scared. Try to assimilate and read the question first, interpret, then you attempt the question. So if you have any question for him, so if you don't have any question, think of any question, probably not from this past question. If you have other topics that so that we can just do a general review, then we can end this class, then we'll continue next week. You understand? So you can check
That's
round,
17, please. It's square root of 17.
check if you have any question from other topics in mathematics or further mathematics. Then, okay, what was the problem? Share the problem.
Yes.
Minus two what?
It's about 2.
Because you didn't press it the right
Thank
way.
you.
So what's the answer to that question? Yeah, that means you are missing it wrongly. Please, can we let me just show you. There's a difference between writing minus two raised to power two
Mm-hmm.
and minus two all square. Do you understand that? This will give you what? Minus four. Why this will give you what? Four. Abi?
Definitely.
Yes, now. Yes, because if you have your bracket, that means you have enclosed this minus two in what? So this square belongs to this and this. The interpretation of this is what? Minus square. Are you getting it? Then you have your what? Two square. So this should be even. No, when you have even powers, you should have positive. When you have odd. What is it? The minus times minus is plus now. Okay, the two is the two belongs to this to not to this
Not on the
minus.
minus.
Yes, you have to be very careful of that. So any other question, that should not be a problem.
No,
Just
I
that.
think where students have issue with that is
Uh,
they just want to press calculator.
they don't know the like
So they won't
the
press
ethics.
correctly.
Definitely.
Don't press minus two, put square. Minus 4. Right like that.
So the other thing is you also need to learn how to press calculator, how to use a calculator. So if you don't know how to use calculator, you just keep getting wrong values. Any other question? Okay, what if